Another box. Dang it. Aloha and welcome back. Today, we're going to be unboxing something. So, a little bit of backstory on this actual gift. I was one of the first few people who got a chance to use the Robinhood Social. If you haven't got a chance to utilize yet, it's great alpha. So please check it out at the very least. You don't have to go and actually publish anything if you don't want to, but Robinhood Social is where it's at if you're looking for good alpha for your trades. But because I was one of the very first users of it, I got a gift card from Robinhood. And what I did is I bought this. And what it is hold on. Safety first. All right, hold on. We need the knife again. Okay. Got some strong tape on here. All right. So, let's check it out. Another box. Dang it. The box in a box. Okay, here we go. As you can tell, it's got a metal sound to it. It is their espresso cup. Now, if you've got a chance to check out their merch site, this is their espresso set. Let's check it out. Ooh. Wow. This is fancy. It looks like it's insulated as well to keep your beverages at whatever temperature you're trying to keep it at. Now, in here also is a spoon to stir your beverage. Also, the coup de grace, it has a saucer in here as well that perfectly fits your cup and spoon. Here, check it out. And of course, ba-da-ba-da-da, it's got the nice logo here in the corner. There it is. I'm very excited. All right, let's put this set together. Ooh. All right, and there you have it, chat. It's your Robinhood Espresso set. Honestly, I would have paid full price, but I didn't have to. So thank you, Robinhood, for the gift card, because I was going to get it anyway. Next up, I think, is going to be the watch, but I'm looking forward to having this here in the podcast with you guys. Maybe. It's a little loud. You'll hear it coming. I'm really excited, though. My favorite part is I didn't notice this when I picked it, but that the espresso cup itself, if you can tell, is like double walled. So it's got some design baked in there to keep your beverages at the temperature that you want it to. So I'm pretty excited about that. Like it's just so fancy. Honestly, do you expect me to pick anything else though? Oh, the smudges. We'll get over that. But look at the little spoon. That's awesome. Mahalo Robinhood for another banger gift and another great merchandise product opportunity for all of us traders. As always, farewell. Ahui ho. Please stay safe. I'll see you on the porch and out there in the markets.